Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 112 of Surah Al-Imran. So we'll start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ضربت عليهم الذلة أينما ثقفوا إلا بحبل من الله وحبل من الناس وباءوا بغضب من الله وضربت عليهم المسكنة ذلك بأنهم كانوا يكفرون بآيات الله ويقتلون الأنبياء بغير حق ذلك بما عصوا وكانوا يعتدون. For Dhamma, circle your lips, keep Dod heavy. Ri, for Kasra, give E sound. But for Fatha, open your jaws, attach with Ta. Ta will get sifa of hums. And hums is a flow of breath. Mat. Guri, bat. For Ain, give sound from your throat. The sound is very short. Lay is 2 counts long because this is lean. Give a nice sound on fatha and then attach it ya and keep ya very soft. He, ha from your throat, and for kasra give e sound. He, mud, for dhamma circle your lips. Attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa. Mud. Dil. For kasra give e sound. Attach with lam. Dil. La is short. Fatha is short. 2 for dhamma circle your lips. I, hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws. Attach with ya. Ya will be soft and it is lean. So give it a 2 counts long sound. I, na is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Su, tha is light. For dhamma circle your lips. How you say tha, you have to put the tip of your tongue under 2 frontal teeth, the edge of 2 frontal teeth. Su, qi, off is heavy. For kasra, give e sound. Fu, circle your lips and give hums on fa. Keep it 4 counts long because this is mad. Munfazil ja is tuqi fu. Il, hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound. Attached with lam. Lam will be 2 counts long because this is madud tabi'i. Illa. B, for kasra, give e sound. Hab, for fatha open your jaws. Attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Hab. Lim, for kasra, give e sound. Attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of gunna, and that will be akmal gunna because this is idgham with gunna. Limmi, for kasra give e sound. Nallahi, keep noon light, but lab se jalala will be heavy here because you can see fatha before it. Mi, nallah, and that will be 2 counts long. He, for kasra give e sound. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Hab, ha, give a very misty sound. For fatha open your jaws. Attach with ba. Ba will get qalqala. Hab, lim, for kasra give e sound. Attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of gunna. And why? Because this is idgham with gunna. So this will be akmal gunna here. Lim, for kasra give e sound. Nan, for fatha open your jaws nicely. Attach with noon, and this is Akmal gunna, because there is noon with tashdid. Me, na will be 2 counts long too, because that is Madad Tabi'i. C for kasra, give E sound. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ba will be 4 counts long, because this is mad muttasil wajib. Wa ba u. U will be 2 counts long. B for kasra, give E sound. Go, going will be heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. B, go, go. Go is heavy too. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Beam for kasra, give E sound first. Then attach with meme. This is idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Beam, B, beam, me. For kasra, give E sound. Nawahi. Noon will be light, but lafz jalala will be heavy. And that will be heavy too. Nawahi. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Bu, dad is heavy. For thamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Bu, ri. For kasra, give E sound. The sound, because the light sound is E, ri, but for fatha, open your jaws and attach with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums. But ain from your throat. Lay for fatha, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long, because this is lean. Lay, he for kasra, give E sound. Mul for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with lam. Lam will be, you'll get tawassut. Mul, mas, give safid, give rakhawa, and keep it light. Maska, ka. And the sound is very clear. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ka, na. Noon is short, and you will give rakhawa on ha, because whenever we stop on the circle ta, the ta marbuta, we change it into ha. Na. So when we will change it into ha, it will get sifa of rakhawa. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give E sound. Ka. Ka is very, very, very short. The sound of ka is very short. Dhalika. B for kasra, give E sound. An hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna, and this is a akmal kunna. B an, but fatha is short. Na. Hum for the circle lips, attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of the wasut. Hum. Ka 2 counts long. Nu 2 counts long. Circle your lips for dhamma. Yak, keep ya very light. Attach with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums. Yak, yak. Or sifa, all sifat should be given nice time. Break yourself, give yourself break, and do whatever you know. Mashallah, you already know all the theories, but when you apply, you sometimes you rush and miss your sifat. So go slow, enjoy your recitation. Yak, fu for the circle your lips, give hums, nice hums, and the sound is very short. Fu. Hums should be before dhamma. This sound should be there, and then completed with oo sound. Fu, oo is 2 counts long. Na short. B for kasra, give E sound. Hamza is very sharp, and it is 2 counts long. Yeah, keep it very nicely soft, and it is 2 counts long. Yeah, til for kasra, give E sound. The sound is very sharp, attached with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, but it will be light because you can see kasra before it. Tillahi, he is short. Wa, circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Yaq, yeah, keep ya very light. attach with qaf. Qaf will get sifa qalqala. Yaq. Two. For Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is very short. Lu. Two counts long. Nal. For Fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Nal. Hamza is very sharp. And it is iqlab. Iqlab. And we are changing the sound of noon into meme. And we are keeping sound in our nose too. Keep the sound of Hamza very sharp. B for kasra, give E sound. The sound is very short. Yeah, 4 counts long because this is muttasil wajib. Shouldn't merge into Hamza alif. These two letters are very different. They have different sound, they have different makhraj, they have different sifat. So keep in mind. B for kasra, give E sound. Ghain is heavy, attached with ya, and this is lean, so make it 2 counts long. Haqqa. This is it will, the last qaf will get qalqala. The first will get shidda. Haqqa. The is 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give E sound. Ka short. Dhalika. B for kasra, give E sound. The sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. A from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Sawwa. Swad is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Oh, and there is nabar here. So swad is attaching with waw. When you are attaching swad with waw here, the nabar is active. Slow. Here the sound takes the jump. Slow. And waw is short. Wa. Ka. 2 counts long. No. 2 counts long. Circle your lips very well. Yeah. Keep ya light. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ayn. Ayn will get sifa tawassut, and it will be from your throat. Yeah. Ta is short. Do. 4 counts long, and you will give tawassut at the end because noon is will be in sukoon when you will give waqf. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.